emailed us yesterday. I haven't heard anything from her this morning, but I was going to text her and see if she was coming.
Okay.
Let me find her number. Let me text her right now and see if she's coming. Okay, I texted her.
Okay. If I go to, I have a computer on other pages on the preparation, the question. So if I go, do we still connect for the YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. The Yummy started from we're gonna from the review from part 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. How was the all the lesson 6?
Oh, I didn't think it was that hard.
Okay. Yeah, I think I got it too. I studied quite a spend of time yesterday, but I think I did it. All right, I'm gonna go other pages now. All right. What was that? No. Let me see. I lost my question page.
Oh.
So let me see. I'm gonna get my thing. Here. Okay. So what is the sampling distributions? That's the first question.
We need to do part 1, or I think we just need to do part 2.
Part 2. Okay, let's go into part 2 then. Okay, hold on. So we have all these numbers, right? The recent graduate in finance. So what is the mean of your sample? So it's really up to your
yeah, it kind of depends on the 5 that you pick.
Right. So that's what I did it on the but I just picked the exactly same number what the instructor pick the number, so see how then I know what to do. So when I did it, it was the exactly was that let me think. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, the I had a same number with
Here, will you wait 1 second? Someone just like knocked on my door.
Oh, okay, sure. No problem.
Okay.
You okay?
Sorry about that.
Yeah, so I used that to random.org.
Oh, okay.
That's how I got the number from the sample number. I put the 1 and the maximum was 30. Then then I click the bottom number. Then it was the randomly select the 5 number, then I got the mean. That's how I did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said give me 5, and I asked the person next to me, give me 5 numbers between 1 and 30, and then I just did it from there.
Okay. Then you all added up, divided up to 5, right? Yeah.
Yep.
All right. So you want to do number the B? Okay. This graph illustrates the distribution of sample means. There are 142,506 possible combination of the 30 salary. Oh, that's what we did it. That's what we did. Okay, so that's why we got the number. And then when I have that number, it was like a little over was 47,000, little over that number. So I click on it was estimate between 46,000 to 48,000. So it was pretty close to the means on the graph.
Yeah, mine was a little higher. Mine was about 40. It was under 48,000. But it's still pretty close to the mean. And so,
I mean, depends on what you pick the numbers,
Yeah.
So that your sample means appears the usual. So this was the usual, right?
Yes, usually, yeah.
Yeah, because this is a pretty normal shape of the graph, so it is usual. So.
Yeah.
Then D is compare your mean from question 7 to the mean obtained by at least 3 other individuals. What do you notice? In practice, you only get to see mean from the sample you draw. You do not get to observe any other mean that could have occurred. So what could be you and I just compare, right?
Yeah. And so we compared, so we got a good idea.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So number 8. I can read that one.
Okay.
The graduate management admission test, or the GMAT, is used as admission criterion in many Masters of Business Administration's MBA programs. The scores on the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of 529 and a standard deviation of 113. Consider a simple random sample, or n equals 10 students taking the GMAT. So for A, what's the shape of the distribution of the sample means for all samples? I said it was skewed because in this case the sample size isn't very large. If it was above 30, I think the number said, then it would be fine, but because it's so small, it would be a little skewed.
So we only pick the 10th.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then B I kind of answered B with that too, it's skewed, and then I know that because the sample size is really small.
I see. Okay. And then you want me to see?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What is the mean of the sampling distribution of sample mean score for all such sample? So that should be the 529, right?
Yeah, that's what I got.
All right.
And then D, what is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample mean scores for all such samples? I said 35.7.
Yeah, I got that. Just a second. But the instructor on the video was the decimal number was different.
Yeah, it was a lot smaller. I think just the numbers on this one, because they are larger, than your standard deviation will be larger. So
So I got the same number. So we okay.
yeah.
And I have a quick question.
Yeah.
Overall, I didn't have any problem, but if I have the sample numbers and the sample what was the other one? Sample number is not the sample
Distribution.
it was sample numbers and sample what was this one? It was not the same though. Sample is a sample group? No. So I forgot the words. But it was not the same meaning. The sample numbers and sample what was the other words? I forgot.
Sample.
Uh-huh.
Sample distribution.
No, it was not the distribution. It was in the lesson.
Yeah, I'm reading through.
Sampling. Sampling. So I was a sample group. I think it was sample group.
Sample size, is that?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Sample size, right?
Sample size.
Sample size and sample number is different, right?
No, I think they're the same thing.
That's the same thing?
Yeah.
But in the lesson 6 on the instructor at the very beginning, it says there's a difference.
Let's see.
On the what was the week 4, and she always she putting on the things, and it says it was different. So
I mean, I watched the videos too, the ones she put on there, like lesson 6 part 1 and lesson 6 part 2.
Yeah.
I thought they were the same thing.
So if you can find that, I'm little.
Yeah, I'll read the lesson again, and if I see anything that mentions it, I'll maybe watch the videos again too. And if I see if I find the answer, I'll let you know.
Yeah. On the Thursday we can talk about a little bit. If you can find it. Meantime, I'll stay a little bit more further. Okay, I'll let you go.
Okay, and then if you have any questions on the quiz, let me know too.
Yeah, I already did it all the the quiz and the homework quiz too.
Okay. Oh, awesome! You're way ahead of the game.
No, tomorrow is my daughter's going back home. Then I'm also 12 hour on Wednesday, Thursday. So I've just did it up to that, and I'm gonna do lesson 7 today to try to finish it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I will see you Thursday then.
Alrighty. You have a nice day. Bye.
You too. Bye.